Hi guys, this is just a quick video and it's also a voiceover because the audio did not work when I recorded this. Anyway, this is how to make planters for your seedlings out of toilet rolls. They'll go from the round bit to the square bit and the folded base. The base can either be left closed when planting or it can be reopened when you're putting your plant in the soil. So the first thing you do is take your toilet roll, as you can see, and you flatten it. And then after this, I would fold it in half again and try and crease it again down the middle. I don't know if you can see up in the top of the screen there, I've already done some of these and then I realised that I could actually show people how to do it. So basically all I'm doing is making sure that I've got creases on each side. I then take my ruler, which is roughly about an inch and a quarter in width, and I use that to measure the width of the ruler to draw a line on each side. Then I will open it back up and you'll notice that it kind of mostly goes into a square shape now. I take a pair of scissors, just cut that wee bit off, and I will cut up each corner until it reaches the line that I drew with the pencil. Then what you do after this is you fold along the line each flap into the centre, create a crease. I use these as well as, but mostly instead of, root trainers because they're quite long. I'll use them for sweet peas. I'll be using them for my sweet corn, maybe my peas and my sugar snap peas. Anyway, once you've got the 4 flaps folded into shape, I'll open it out and I dip it into some hot water for a second, and that soaks up into the cardboard, and then I will replace all the flaps and then sit it on its end. And the reason you wet it is when it dries it will keep the shape, so it will stay square. And then after this I just go straight on to another one. Anyway, that's the way it is guys, and I'm really glad that I could show you that. Thanks for watching, take care.